red, blue. This is under, so you need to do 4 combination, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it until it completes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you notice this part, and we'll settle this with a small t. T, T. Let's say the black piece, the edges, one of the edges, it's on the right. Just do 1, 2. See? Put back. It's complete. After you get top part and the T, tilt it. Tilt it like this. Make sure the part that is settled is below. And now we are going to settle the middle part of the second layer. This, 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 this. It is important to know that this middle layer must be same color as the owner, that is blue, orange. This part must be blue, orange. This part must be red, blue. This part must be green, red, and the last part is orange, green. We are going to learn some algorithm. For example, to replace this middle part, this you can tilt. Find for the same color, let's say red, the partner is blue, partner's blue. The owner of the blue is on the right, so this part will go here. For this algorithm we want it to go to the right, so we do this opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist it to the right. 3, 4, 1, 2. If you could see, the blue and red fits here. Let's say for the green, if this green, the partner is yellow, yellow belongs to the top, so we don't want this green. Partner is red, so you see, red must go to the left, no, to the right. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist it to the right. 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay. This is fitted here. We have 2 more middle part, that is this and this. If you notice, the colors are green, orange. Green, orange is here, and blue, orange is here. So if you notice your middle part is here, you can bring it up. Just do the same algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 4. Okay. If you notice, the part that is on top is this blue, orange. Align it with the blue, and the orange we want it to go to the right. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2. Orange, blue is completed. This is the one more. Orange, green. So this green, orange. We want it to go to the left. The left is the opposite. Go to the 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn to the left. 3, 4, 1, 2. If you notice, we have done the second layer. This layer completes, and then second layer completes. Next, we are going to look for the top part cross here, plus sign with a yellow, but look for an L. You will get an L here. If you get an L, this L, don't bother about the edges. This L, make sure you hold it like this. You do F-U-R, F-U-R, Ui, Vi, Fi, Ui, Vi, Fi. See? The original L, and you have to add this plus. Sometimes the top part you will not find an L. This is not an L, this is not an L. You will get this straight. If you get this straight, you do, make sure you hold this horizontally, and you do F-R-U, Ri, Ui, Fi. You'll get this plus. Sometimes you'll only get a dot, a yellow dot here. If in that case, you need to do F-U-R, Ui, Ri, Fi twice until you get the plus. After this plus, we will align this middle piece with the owner. Let's say this red, we align it with red, and with C. The other one is aligned with this blue. How about the other two? It's not aligned. So make sure they're both aligned pieces that is matched. One is on the right side, one is facing that, facing in front. This is the one, this is the one facing in front, and here. Okay. To do this, it's to repair this. It's right, up, re, up, right, up, re. If you could see, we align this. Orange, green, red, blue. It's align, plus and align. We will solve the edges after this plus sign. Top. Okay, to look for the edges, you must match with the owners. Red, yellow, blue. Red, yellow, blue. This is the correct edge, and the others I'm not sure. Make sure the correct edges is here. Sometimes we'll get non-correct edges. This one, if we are lucky, we get this one correct edges. We do up, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The edges will be original here, but the other 4 edges will change the orientation. You look for it. Still no. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And looking for the partner. Correct partner. Correct partner. Correct with the correct combination. So the correct one we make it on this side. The others we do the 4 that we learned earlier. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, it's matched here and complete that 4. Turn the top part only. Okay, and do the 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is turn the top part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, it's complete. Final turn. Okay, complete.